Hmm. When I always make something, you take a picture of it. Right? You do. Actually, you do not.
Could you explain about our kittens, Armand? Where did we adopt them? And how? Where did we go today?
No, I just want.
We went to McCamey Animal Center.
Okay. I
Can you
do.
explain about that?
I want to be a gamer, not a filmer.
Our kitten's name is Lucy and Daisy.
And they're so cute. This one's Daisy. That one's Lucy.
Kittens. They're just 1 month old.
Not 2 months.
About 2 months, 1 month and 8 weeks.
He,
Oh,
they
1
have
month and 8 days, I'm sorry. 1 month and 8 days. Daisy and Lucy.
1 month and 8 days. That's